Welcome back, my dear student. So we are making a lot of improvements in our application. Now, one thing that I want to do, and I'm just gonna click that out. One thing that I want to do is that when we go to projects, and let's say for example, we can create a new task, right? Now the problem is that we don't have a task page where we can add a task for a project, um, edit a task or delete a task. We can create a task, of course, from here, but we can't really edit it. Anyway, we don't have that interface. So let's go ahead and create one, all right? So we know that we have a tasks view that we can see that each individual task. For example, let's say task number 1, right? But we don't have links here where we can edit it, all right? So let's create something like that, all right? Let's add it to this table right here. All right, so let's go to our tasks and display. Now, what I was thinking is that we should have something very similar to what we have with projects. You see that? Something like that. Edit a task and delete it. I think that's the two that we need here. We don't need to create another one, so since we can use the other link for that, right? So here we can edit or delete. All right, let's see how that looks right now. Enter. And as you can see, the links are right here. All right, beautiful. So now we need to create a edit view for the task, right? I mean, to delete it, to edit it, to update it. Let's create one. So this is going to be very similar to the one that we did for projects. We're doing basically the same thing, all right? So you can go ahead and put the link here, but just to show you, let's go to projects and then edit project. And actually, let's go to create tab. All right, same thing here. Let's do that PHP code right here, put it right there, and this is going to take us to delete instead. All right, we could separate this a little bit with some CSS, but we're going to leave it right there right now. So this is going to give us an error right now because we don't have those undefined property task ID. Oh, you know what? It's not task underscore ID. It's task. Actually, let's go to our controllers and let's see what we're passing in the display. We're passing in task, the task variable. So it should be working. And let's go to our PHP admin here. And this is ID. So it's not task ID, it's ID. All right. Okay. So this is like that. And this is like that. All right. Making sure that we fix this because that's the way it is. Enter. Perfect. So we click on here, we can see, not click, but if we put our mouse over, we can see that it says ID number 1 in the bottom. So it's gonna edit that specific task. You see that? All right, perfect. All right. So anyway, thank you so much for watching this lecture. Hope you having fun, and I see you in the next one. Take care.